Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this fuel injection pump 6560-7 for Komatsu WA600 Loader QSK23 engine PC1250-7 Excavator SAW6170E engine, then please visit the link provided in the description. Every large machine you see in construction, mining, or heavy industry relies on hidden components to keep going. One of the most vital but often overlooked parts is the fuel injection pump. Today, the focus is on the 6560-7 model, a pump specifically designed for massive engines powering equipment like the Komatsu WA600 Loader, Cummins QSK23, Komatsu PC1250-7 Excavator, and the SAW6170E engine. Without this exact part, none of those machines would run at their full potential. A fuel injection pump works behind the scenes, but its influence is everywhere. This part manages the entire process of delivering diesel fuel into an engine's cylinders with pinpoint accuracy. It doesn't just push fuel, it regulates the pressure, meters the right amount, and times the injection so combustion happens at exactly the right moment. Engines of this size operate under intense stress, so timing and consistency are everything. Even minor errors could mean wasted fuel, less power, or mechanical failure. This 6560-7 pump is tuned for heavy-duty applications where reliability is more than just a preference, it's non-negotiable. Take the Komatsu WA600 Loader as an example. A machine like this is built to lift and transport enormous loads across rough terrain. Without precise fuel delivery, the loader would lack the consistent torque it needs to perform. With this pump installed, fuel enters the cylinders at exactly the right intervals, keeping the engine strong under pressure. Now, picture the PC1250-7 excavator. On construction and mining sites, this excavator moves massive amounts of rock and soil. The amount of stress placed on its engine is staggering. This is where the pump's accuracy truly matters. It adapts to varying loads and ensures that every drop of fuel burns efficiently. That translates into higher productivity, smoother performance, and less wear on the engine overall. The QSK23 engine is another platform for the 6560-7 This engine is used across multiple industries, from mining haul trucks to marine equipment. It's designed for long hours of operation under tough conditions. A pump like this one ensures the QSK23 continues to produce steady power while controlling fuel consumption. That balance of performance and efficiency is why operators stick to pumps that match OEM standards. For the Komatsu SAW6170E engine, this pump is equally essential. Known for powering massive excavators, this engine demands precision components. The injection pump ensures that combustion is efficient, resulting in stronger power output, lower emissions, and longer service life. It's a part designed not just to get the engine running but to keep it running reliably day after day. Here's what makes the pump so valuable in technical terms. First, it pulls diesel from the tank and pressurizes it to exact levels. Next, it synchronizes injection timing down to fractions of a millisecond. Finally, it measures the amount of fuel injected into each cylinder based on throttle demand, workload, and environmental conditions. Every one of these steps has to be flawless, because heavy-duty engines cannot afford inconsistencies. Durability is a cornerstone of the 6560-7 These pumps are engineered to operate in dust-filled mines, wet marine environments, or freezing job sites without faltering. They use materials that resist wear and corrosion, allowing thousands of operating hours before service is needed. The result is reduced downtime, fewer breakdowns, and more consistent machine performance. Efficiency is just as critical. Fuel costs are a huge part of operating expenses for heavy machinery. An efficient injection pump means more work done with less fuel wasted. At the same time, cleaner combustion leads to lower emissions. Regulations for industrial engines are getting tighter, and having a pump that optimizes performance while reducing emissions helps operators meet compliance standards without sacrificing productivity. What really sets this pump apart is compatibility. It isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. The 6560-7 is engineered for specific machines, ensuring a perfect fit. While aftermarket options may look similar, they often